How to fix no device detected. Please connect a device when using Corsair Gaming keyboard on Windows 10 PC. Here are some tips that may help you fix no device detected. Please connect a device issue when using Corsair Gaming keyboard on Windows 10 PC. 1. Try using another USB port in your PC. 2. Exit Corsair Utility Engine, then rerun the app as admin, later. 3. Remove your Corsair Gaming keyboard and hold the ESC key while plugging back in, later. 4. Perform a hard reboot, press Windows key and F1. 5. Run Task Manager and see if Corsair HID.exe is running. If so, end that process. 6. Download and run the latest ICUE software at https://www.corsair.com/a/n/ICUE. As admin. Remove all hidden devices from Device Manager. Remove existing Corsair Utility Engine. The recommended uninstall tool, attached in this video guide, in Windows Safe Mode. Reconnect your Corsair Gaming keyboard. Run the latest ICUE software at https://www.corsair.com/a/n/ICUE. As admin. 8. Update all your device drivers.